They thought I was finished, not because I quit but because I went silent. When the noise stopped, when the lights faded, they assumed I disappeared. They never understood this part of me. I don't break in public. I rebuild in the dark. Every fall changed me. Every loss stripped something weak away. I learned early that the world doesn't pause for pain, and sympathy never builds strength. So I stopped asking why it happened to me, and started asking what it was turning me into. I've walked through seasons where nothing worked, where effort went unnoticed, where betrayal came from familiar faces, where the nights were longer than the days, and doubt was louder than belief. But I stayed, not because it was easy, because leaving would have destroyed me more. Pain stopped being my enemy. It became my training ground. Fear stopped blocking my path. It pointed the direction forward. Every time I wanted to quit, something inside whispered, "Not yet." There's a moment when you realize no one is coming to save you. No applause, no permission, no validation. That moment either breaks you or sharpens you. And I chose to sharpen. I stopped explaining my vision to people who couldn't see past their comfort. Stopped shrinking so others could feel tall. Stopped carrying guilt for choosing growth over approval. I understood something critical. Some people can only meet you where they stopped growing. So I worked, quietly, relentlessly. While they slept, I learned. While they doubted, I disciplined my mind. While they laughed, I became consistent. Not perfect, consistent. I wasn't chasing motivation. I was building control. Control over my habits. Control over my reactions. Control over my future. Because motivation fades, identity doesn't. And now, I feel it. The calm before momentum. The strength that doesn't announce itself. The confidence that doesn't need approval. I don't crave revenge. I crave execution. They'll notice when results replace explanations, when discipline replaces noise, when progress becomes undeniable, not because I spoke louder, but because I endured longer. This isn't a comeback story. It's a continuation. I didn't vanish. I evolved. And when I return, it won't be to prove them wrong. It'll be to remind myself why I never quit. I will be back.